Hey, everyone, Bill and Carrie with KB Tricks.
Hello.
We're at hon. What's going on?
We are on the island of Oahu in Hawaii. We are at Disney's Aulani Resort, and we are in our partial ocean view room.
So we're going to give you a little bit of a tour here of what our room looks like in some of the amenities. Sea anemones?
Yeah, no, not those.
No. So for reference, we are actually in room 1241. We're on the 12th floor, and we got a partial ocean view. As we come in, off to the right is going to be the bathroom. Right behind me is the adjoining room door. And we go in here, got a shower tub, and we got a wand, and it looks like they kind of have that shower type option with, or the rainfall type shower option. I kind of like the design in the back here with the pebbles. Nice. And then we got the pump, hand lotion and hand soap, or lotion hand soap. It comes with bar soap, basic sink, Kleenex, lit mirror with the magnifying side. Ooh, don't trust that. That'll freak you out. Also in the shower area, you have the retractable clothesline that you can use, and the pump soap for the body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. We also discovered you can use one or the other. You cannot use both of these at the same time. You control that. The top one here controls the output, so it either comes out of the shower head, the rain head, or the basin. And the lower one, the bigger one, that controls the temperature. And the cubby down here, I found the hair dryer, so that comes with the room, so you can leave yours at home unless you really like yours. They got some cubbies here for you. You can put your travel kits, all that. Toilet with its own door to it. Up next is the closet. It has nice automatic lights in there. Got the stand there for the luggage, ironing board with an iron, clothes hangers, and then they have laundry bag. They have an emergency flashlight, so sometimes they get tornadoes or hurricanes out here. There's your wall safe that you can put your own code into, instructions and all that. Got a full-size mirror off to the side as we come in. Keurig thing with Keurig cups. I got a TV down here if you have a laptop you want to plug in. You know, the hookups for that. So you got HDMI, power, audio video, or you can do the old PC hook in, audio connector. Below that, we have a mini fridge. We should actually, we just got here, so we should actually turn the temperature down. Yes, turn the volume down. What am I talking about? We got a king size bed. And off to the side, we got the phone, so we just called Bell Services to have our luggage brought up. Alarm clock. This seems to be a complimentary hair clip that looks like one of the flowers that are native to Hawaii. Pen and pad. There's also a table and some chairs. And I love the little Mickey. Well, tell me about this, hon.
He's just a little lamp, and I know he's a very popular lamp. You can apparently purchase him in the gift shop, and they will ship it to your home. I can't remember the price of it right now, but it's kind of spendy. But I mean, look at how freaking adorable that is. I mean, I don't know, hon. We may have to buy this.
I want that, but we have no place to put it.
We'll put it on our table.
we don't need any space on our kitchen table. And we actually have a sleeper sofa, so you can actually pull out, and you know, like what, 2 more people can stay in this, so this room could probably fit a family of 4. And then lift this up, hon. This is where you can find the stuff for the sleeper sofa.
Extra pillow and blanket.
Yep. So it's all in there, ready to go. So this is nice. If you're accustomed to Disney cruising, this is similar. They have a big space underneath the bed where you can store your luggage. So that's a good space saver to have. And these outlets are nice. It has the traditional outlet, but also a USB port, and that's a USB-C port. And we got ourselves a ceiling fan to help with airflow. I like that idea. That way we can leave the door open, and if it's a little warm, get some air circulation in here. Just checking out the TV. It works a lot like the same kind of menu that you see at Disney World or the cruise ships. I mean, it looks almost exactly the same with the information at the bottom. And so you can do that, and you can Disney on Demand, normal TV, and then stuff around the resorts. You can watch videos or calendars for that. And we're going to take a look out here on our patio. So we have a table and a chair out here. There's actually a decent sized veranda. This is, I'd say if you've been on one of the cruise ships, this is a little bit bigger than, quite a bit bigger actually, than some of the verandas on the cruise ships. And we have a beautiful view out here. So this is a partial ocean view. There's our partial view of the ocean. And we are on the one side. This is the self-parking ramp, lot, garage, whatever you want to call it, for Aulani. And the Four Seasons is next door. That is their parking ramp, garage, whatever. And then what's the name of this over here, hon?
So it's, I think it's just like the Colina shopping center.
Shopping center.
But there's restaurants and stuff.
A couple restaurants and stuff over there.
Starbucks, ice cream.
We can walk over there or drive. I mean, it's pretty close. Like the front lobby is just around here, so it's not too far of a walk over to that if we wanted to get something to eat or drink. Nightlife. So that's a little look at our room here at Aulani. Again, partial ocean view on floor 12. I might have actually said deck 12 by accident.
Clearly, we've been doing a lot of cruises.
Yeah. Might shoot this out of order. It all depends. There could be a couple things that we shot while we've been here over the next couple days. As we discover more about our room, we might add some things in here. So if it looks out of order, that's why. But anyway, what do you think of the room?
It's beautiful. Mm-hmm. It's so gorgeous. Like, you know, we don't spend much time in our hotel rooms really just to sleep, but it's like, I kind of want to like chill in here, like, you know.
Enjoy the view off that deck.
Yeah, exactly. Like, you know, I could see like having like a cup of coffee or for you water or soda and just like enjoying, enjoying the view out here. I could see us spending a little more time relaxing than we usually do in normal hotel rooms.
Yeah, so far it seems like a very nice room. And gonna enjoy the next couple days while we're here. But we want to thank you for joining us. Please do us a favor. About 90% of our viewers are not subscribers, so if you're new here, please subscribe and help the channel grow. Help us reach our goal for 2024 of 2,000 subscribers. But stay tuned. We're going to be here at Aulani for a couple days, and if you're following us along, we are going to be here in Hawaii for 15 days. And if you missed our first video, basically, we're here for the one trip of a lifetime. We're going to be here for 2 weeks. We're going to 3 islands and visiting 4 resorts. This is just resort number 1.
This is the very beginning of the trip. We've got a lot more to come.
So please subscribe and join us for that. But we want to thank you for joining us. I'm Bill.
I'm Carrie.
If you watch KB Tricks, please do us a favor. Like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Until then, good luck and have fun.
See ya.